Hi guys, today we're going to use a Kwik Seal Grout Recolor Kit. This is for white grout and we're going to be applying it to these stairs. So what it says is that this first bottle is going to be the cleaner. So it says to dilute pre-treat with 1 gallon of warm water, sponge or spray diluted solution onto the ground. Allow solution to sit for 5 minutes, then scrub grout with enclosed brush. Remove excess liquid from grout, although grout can be damped for step 2. So we're going to put it into this bucket. I'm not going to use all of it, I'm going to use half of it. So that's why I don't have a gallon of water. And I'm just going to pretty much soak it all and let it sit there for a good minute. For 5 minutes, and then after that, as it says, I'm gonna brush it and remove whatever dirt comes out, and then after that we're gonna go to step 2, which I'll show you. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna add half of this. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. Is that half? A little bit more. All right, that's about half. So we're gonna save that for another grout. Okay. Now we're gonna just mix it a little bit. And it's very soapy. Okay. So from there, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna I can't do it with many hands, but pretty much I'm gonna just let it soak. And I wanna be kinda clean, not too dirty. So we're just gonna put this and we're gonna do all the stairs. So I'll see you guys once I get to the other step. Okay, so now we are in the scrubbing part. You can see there it's kind of dirty and we're removing all of it. You just brush it and you keep brushing until the stain comes off, or whatever dirt. So I have a bucket where I'm cleaning the brush, and then after I dry it, and then I throw the dirty stuff there, and then you have to do all of them, which it is a lot of work, but hopefully it comes out good. Alright guys, so we've cleaned it. It's already the next day because I'll be honest, cleaning it took a long time, but as you can see, it's very clean now. Was able to clean all of them, and it takes time, but hopefully the seal works and it lasts, because I'll be honest, if it doesn't work, I'm not gonna do this again. But I'll be leaving a comment letting you know if it worked. But next we're going to use step 2. And let's focus. And it says brush must be clean and dried before using the next step. With the wet chamois in clean water, wring out excess moisture. Apply color seal with squeeze top, drawing a thin line of color plus seal over 2 feet of grout at a time. Scrub the color plus seal into the grout with brush. Then in order to remove a potential discoloration, immediately use the chamois to remove from tile, not grout. So we're gonna open this. I don't know if you have to shake it. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, I opened it. And hopefully this is not messy. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get a cup and I'm just gonna put it there and then just apply it, and we're gonna get going. Okay, so this is what we're gonna start off with. I'm just gonna get the brush a little bit there. Just kind of spread it. And just apply it. And just do that for everything. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so we finished the seal. This is how it kind of looked like before. As you can see, this one's untreated. It's still dirty. It's not sealed yet. And keep in mind, this is sandless grout. And then here, it's still not completely dry because I did add a second a spray seal. But this is how it turned out. You can see that they're much cleaner. They're still a little bit moist because I sprayed, again, a sealer, which is not included, but just to be sure that it seals in the nice white. And I maybe will apply a second coat. I still need to do those edges, but it looks good now. And this only works with white grout. Well, at least this one did. So just wanted to show you that's how it turned out. Okay, so this is a few days later, and it does get a little bit dirty. We haven't broomed there, but let's see if it comes off. This is just my hand. So maybe when you mop it, it'll get cleaner, but again, I'll leave a comment to see how it did. But overall, it's a good product. I would say that it's worth it if your grout is white and you want to have it nice in a particular area. In my case, the stairs. I want the stairs to look nice. I'm not going to be doing the entire floor. That's too much work. I would probably just put out like a sealer, clean it, and just put a sealer that you spray on, because it is a lot of work. But if you find it at 99-cent store where I did, I would say buy it, because it's a good deal. But otherwise, if you're not willing to get on your knees, don't buy it, because it's a lot of work. But the results are nice.